Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the Express. It's a Node.js REST application you can use for websites or something like that. But I think there will be a better framework for that. But I will use it in a TypeScript, and I will show how you can working with the routes inside the Express and how you can organize it so you always can find the better way, so you don't have anything inside this index file here. So if you have 100 routes, you don't have 100 times multiply this one. So it's been more clean to see on, and that's my purpose with this video. I really hope you enjoy this, and I really hope you will see it to finish. And don't forget to click on the link below in the right corner of the video. And if you have any questions or you have any improvement, then just make a comment below. I'll try to answer you, and I really hope you will hit the like button. Let's start some coding now. The first thing we're going to do is creating the folder called routes. Inside routes, we want to create an index file. We want to import the router, and this it's from Express. And then we want to import the main routes, and should be from the main routes. We don't have that yet, so I will comment this out for now. And then we create the routes. It's a router, and down below we want to route use, and this should be, for now, it's just the main routes, and it's not here yet, so comment this out. And then we want to export it like a default, and we want to call it a routes. Now we will create the main.routes file. That's, we can just say main.routes.js. Inside that we will say import router, and this is from Express 2. Inside this we want to say main router should be main routes is equal to router and main routes get. We will sending this request and response, and we say this could be any type of what we gonna do inside here. And then we have something inside here we want to return, and the response should be returned by JSON. So we say hello world. That's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna export the routes and main routes, and that's what we're gonna do. Now we have the routes. We're building anything done here. It's a very simple example. Then we're going back for the index.js. We will enable those here, and what we're gonna do now, it's saving it, and we just say based on the routes from the main routes, you say everything here, and that's meaning the root path. Based on the root path, we say the root path of the root path. So in this case, we basically just say localhost slash. If we have using anything else, we could have make like users here, and that's meaning the route of the users. So it depends on how you want to work with it. Then we're going for the index file now, and we just remove this old route, and we just say app.use and express JSON here. That's meaning we convert everything to JSON, and then we just use here and say routes, and you can see it's importing the routes in the top. So that's what we want. We're having this one, so see about how it's working now. I'll just go inside and say this one and say console log hit route path. and I'll just go in front of my browser and I want to reload it. Hello world, this is a JSON request. We know that, so let's go back and you can see hit the route path. So good, so fast, we are here. The next step we're gonna speak a little bit about then is how we can add the put, post and delete, and I will change it to going inside the Postman to demonstrate this. So let's go ahead and create these rules. We basically just want to copy this and we paste it 3 times, and this one should be put, and this should be post, and this should be delete. And I'll just say request method put, and I will copy this and say post, and then we basically just want to delete, and we'll make a little bit here, and request method get. Based on what we're gonna do and return out for the user, I will just say method here, and I will just say get, and let's do what we feel is right now. You can do whatever you want for this, but I will just use this for testing purpose, so that's fine for me. And delete. Now when we have to delete, we are basically ready to go inside to the Postman. So let's open the Postman up and make the test requests. And now we can just setting the get request, and then you can see we are hitting the get request. If I'm going back to the code, you can see request method is get. If I'm changing to post, we have post here, and we have put, and we have the delete. If I'm trying some else, let's say you want to copy, and then you say preview, we have could not copy slash. So that's meaning we don't have anything, we can do whatever we want. And what I want to show you now, it's how we can get out the headers. So let's going back for the code and going up here, and I'll just say for this for the headers, and request response headers. Let's just setting it, whoops, with the comma here, else we won't get an error. And I'll just setting the get here. We try it again, something is wrong. Let's just say the request here, and then you get the request. That's the Postman, and we get all the headers. So if you need the headers, you can just whoops, do not save. And if you use this, you can basically just do whatever you want. So that's working pretty good. One other thing I think it could be very nice, it's taking care about if we want to the post, we want to say the data, want to return the JSON data. So I'm not sure this is working, but it's just what I have in my mind. So let's testing it up and say the body and say post, want the raw, and set it up for JSON. So let's say my test demo here, and just sending it out. We crash it because it's in the error, and I almost know that, so I will show in the code here what the right function is. So let's type this down. The only thing we want to do is just say across the body, and then we are good to go. And going back and say this one, and you can see we have in the pretty, we have it inside because it's already know it's the JSON. So if you're sending something else inside, then you need to check the data, but we are expect basically it's getting the data by JSON, so it's working as we expect. But that's what we're gonna do, and that's how we are working with the routes and how I can group it. Like it's very simple here. Thank you so much for watching this video for the end, and I really hope you have questions or something like that, and post the comments. And don't forget, all the code will be on my GitHub. You can find the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe my channel by clicking on the thing in the right corner in the video. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time, and remember to like and share. See you. Bye.